Welcome, tech enthusiasts! Today we're diving deep into the world of IP cameras and addressing a common challenge: how to extend their reach over long distances. So stay tuned to discover the essential of PoE extension, its basics, and the fundamental structure that make it work seamlessly. And also, dive into our comprehensive tech solution on our website. We offer a range of innovative tools tailored to meet your security needs. So don't miss out on advanced feature, real-time monitoring, and unmatched peace of mind. Visit our website now and empower your security setup with the latest technology. So in the realm of civilian, IP cameras stand as powerful tools, yet they grapple with certain limitations. One of the challenges arises when attempting to cover vast distances. So despite their advanced feature, IP cameras encounter hurdles in maintaining optimal performance over extended ranges. So here enter the Power over Ethernet, a groundbreaking technology designed to revolutionize the way we power and connect devices. PoE generally combines power and data transmission, allowing both to travel effortlessly over a single Ethernet cable. And this elegant integration simplifies setup and reduces clutter and enhances efficiency. So PoE not only streamlines installation, but also ensures reliable power delivery and extends the range of IP cameras, making it a game changer in the world of civilians. From streamlined installation to substantial cost saving, PoE Extension redefined the landscape of powering devices. By seamlessly extending the reach of PoE network, it eradicates the needs for complex wiring, ensuring hassle-free connectivity in even the most challenging environment. At the heart of PoE extension are ingenious devices like PoE extenders, PoE switches, and PoE injectors. These components serve as the backbone of PoE setup, bridging the gap between power sources and devices. PoE extender amplify the reach of PoE signal, enabling data and power to travel extended distance without signal degradation. PoE switches, on the other hand, facilitate the management of multiple PoE-enabled devices, providing centralized and organized power distribution hub. And PoE injectors, the unsung heroes, empower non-PoE devices by injecting power into Ethernet cable, making them compatible with PoE network. These devices harmonize to create a seamless ecosystem where power and connectivity coverage. So at its core, we know that in a PoE extension setup, each component playing a distinctive role. PoE extender magnifies signals, enabling seamless data and power transmission over extended distance. However, common troubleshooting pitfalls emerge when users mistakenly integrate extenders without PoE capability, leading to connectivity challenges. If users directly connect the PoE extender to a router or Ethernet switch, which can only supply data but not power. To addressing this, PoE switches and injectors stepped in, supplying power and data to PoE extension devices. And these components form the backbone, ensuring the smooth flow of information within the network. So amidst these essentials, the significance of high-quality Ethernet cable emerge as a crucial factors. These cables, often overlooked, serve as the lifeline of efficient data transmission, and their quality directly impacts the reliability of the entire system. So considerations such as the distance requirement, power specification, and the network size must be meticulously weighted, and ensuring that the chosen components seamlessly integrate, fostering a robust and dependable PoE extension setup. So behind me, we have our PoE setup using a PoE extender. Let's see what we have here. We have the router to provide the network. We need to connect it with our NVR, which is the network video recorder. And since network video recorder does not supply PoE, that's why we'll need a PoE switch or a PoE injector. If you have multiple devices, PoE switch is recommended. If not, PoE injector will do. Next, I'm going to connect the PoE switch with the router. And using the 100 meters Ethernet cable and connect with the switch. So here we have 100 meters. And I'm going to use this PoE extender to extend for another 100 meters. Just simply plug it in here. Let me plug. We have the input and the output port. Last but not least, I'm going to connect our bullet camera. So just wait for a second. The video footage will display on a monitor since the PoE bullet camera is now getting both power and data. I'm going to wave my hand now so you can see this is a live video. So in the realm of PoE extension, power management solutions serve as the cornerstone for robust and sustainable networks. Today we are using a reliable power source, which is plugging in the adapter. And also there are other power methods. For example, solar panels, harnessing the sun's light, and stainless echo contrast power sources, and reducing the carbon footprint of PoE setup. An uninterruptible power supply, the UPS acts as a reliable guidance, ensuring uninterrupted operation during electrical fluctuations. Also, embracing the low power consumption cameras can minimize energy demand, enhancing system efficiency while promoting environmental responsibility. And crucially, meticulous power planning is paramount, especially for extended installation. So calculating precise power requirement becomes important, guiding the selection of components and ensuring seamless energy distribution. Additionally, exploring PoE extension devices is essential for comprehensive solution. For example, we have the long-range PoE switch. It is designed to cover vast distances, provide connectivity in expansive area. Also, PoE power switches, a versatile option, simplify the installation by combining power and data transmission, streamlining network complexity. So that's all for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like our content, please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, FASTCABLING. And I'll see you next time.